Hi, this is Hussien School, Sos Gujal Hunda. So we will see the repairing activities here. So first of all, we will pay a lot of thanks to WWBN, WWNB, sorry, for their help, financial help, and here you can see a big hall up here. This happened in the last winter because of a heavy wind in the month of February. And now our laborers are working here, they are repairing, and you can see some wood down here. Our carpenter has prepared the woods to fix the ceilings under the roof, and it costs. You can see here some. क्या है ये?